Hey there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. I am very happy to be here. I was reading this book, The Hidden Power by Thomas Troward, and it was challenging because I've been reading it for about 2 days. And it's 4th of July. So it's Independence Day for the United States. So everybody's celebrating. You will hear fireworks in the background. Okay, so in this one, I'm going to talk about religious opinions and the chapter religious opinions and how religion can be used as a tool for finding how the universal mind works and having an understanding of truth. Okay, now I'm going to read you a quote in a little bit that's going to link all of this together. When we talk about the universe, let's talk about logic here, okay, science. When we look at the universe evolves, it grows, okay? The universe is expanding. When we look at a cell, it divides itself and grows. And microorganism grows. Plant grows up, reaches for sunlight, reproduces. Animals reproduce, humans reproduce, we get better, we get smarter, we gain more knowledge, we grow and expand. The universe grows and expands. Okay, you see how where this is going, growth and expansion? Now, I want to add Darwin's experiments of finches, how they've all evolved. Okay, evolution happens. Okay. Evolution happens. Now, in religion or in spiritual beliefs, there is an understanding, a golden thread, you can say, in all the religions that life comes from God, the universe, Krishna, Allah, the Creator, okay? Whatever you want to call it. And in this chapter, Thomas Troward says, do not look at the negatives. Do not go there to be... There's a specific word that he uses that I really liked, actually, that I had to look up. Do not be someone who's critical of somebody else's beliefs, right? Do not be critical of somebody else's beliefs, but help the person find the truth in those beliefs, because all religious institutions have this underlying thread that life comes from God, or that spiritual creator, that one, okay? The I am, okay? If life comes from the creator, that means this creator is for evolution, for growth, for gaining more life. Growth and evolution is gaining more life. Okay? Right now I'm picturing a little fish or lizard crawling out of the ocean, right? We've seen that when we were in school. We see how the fish evolves into a lizard, and the lizard goes onto the land, or what have you, right? Or the mouse evolves into a mammal, like a larger mammal, then into an ape, and then that there's different breaks in that type of evolution. But you get the image, right? You see the image of evolution. Now, so a spiritual being that created life must be for that, because every living thing is for expansion and growth and evolution. It naturally, it subconsciously does that. Even ourselves, who are conscious beings, we seek for more love, more wealth, more strength, more health, better ability. Okay, we're business people. We want to be better at sales. We want to be better at marketing. We want to be better at leadership. We want to guide and lead our institutions. right? Our groups, if we're in politics, right? Or even religious leaders want more. Okay? So, Thomas Troward says that this underlying thread could be a guide to helping people find the truth that God is the source of all life, the source of all knowledge, the source of all creation, and if we would want to get more, we must ask God or seek God and link to God so that we get more, because all that we have comes through God. Okay, I'm saying God, but you can use it as what your initial upbringing was. Okay, that will help you understand you. Or if you want to go into just the new thought terminology, you can use new thought, the universal mind, universal intelligence. Okay, all things come from the universal mind. Okay, because everything is mind. Everything is just a reflection of what's in the non-physical. If something is non-physical, it doesn't resonate, or it doesn't stand in time and space. Time and space is only when you start comparing objects with objects. So thoughts, our consciousness is eternal. It is eternal. So wanting more must come from our thoughts first, so that it materializes out here. But now we must have an understanding that it is linked to God. And when we're linked to God, we can be grateful for it. And what happens when you're grateful to somebody? They want to give you more. Okay? When you show gratitude, they want to give you more. So when we can guide somebody into finding those aspects of life and going for more, we can help a person in our community have that ideal life, reach the goals that they want, whatever they may be, by linking them or showing them that whatever they want is in the universal mind and it comes from within. And if they just have that faith that the universe will give it to them, God will give it to them if they hold it in their mind, in the non-physical, and in time, and understand that what we hold in our minds and what we ask of and then be grateful for, we will receive. Okay? We must have this understanding so that we believe and have faith. Okay? That is going to manifest. And so I'm gonna end this with the quote. I'm gonna copy and paste it because I also have the PDF of this book in Kindle. So I'm just gonna copy and paste and put it in the description below. My voice is gonna get a little bit louder because it's so powerful. I can't say it just nonchalantly. The very fact of any religious profession at all implies the recognition of God as the source of life and of all that goes to make life. And therefore the purpose in every case is to draw increasing degrees of life, whether here or hereafter, from the only source from which alone it is to be obtained, and therefore to establish such a relation with this source as may enable the worshipper to draw from it all the life he or she wants. Hence, the necessary preliminary to drawing consciously at all is the confidence that such a relation actually has been established. And such a confidence as this is exactly all that is meant by faith. End quote. Hope you like this one. Okay? And if you want more resources, click the link below. Right now for 4th of July, I'm giving 30% off clothing The link will expire on Friday, so in about 4 days. Happy 4th of July, and hope you like this one. Until next time, peace and thank you.